Is your Infiniti QX50 key fob unresponsive or has a reduced range? A dead battery is the most likely culprit. This video will guide you through a quick and easy DIY replacement for 2020 to 2023 models, saving you time and money compared to dealership service. We'll cover everything you need to know about changing your remote batteries. The Infiniti QX50 key fob for 2020-2023 models uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. This is the correct battery type you need for replacement. The CR2032 is a standard 3-volt lithium coin cell battery, widely available at electronics stores, pharmacies, and online retailers for under $5. For potentially improved battery longevity, consider using high-quality brands like Energizer or Panasonic. Make sure to get the right CR2032 battery for your key fob to ensure proper function. You'll only need a couple of simple tools: a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool. A plastic tool is recommended to avoid scratching the key fob casing. Additionally, consider wearing anti-static gloves to prevent static discharge from damaging the fob's internal components, though this is optional. Follow these steps to replace the key fob battery safely. First, locate the seam on the back of the key fob. This is where the two halves meet. Carefully insert the flathead screwdriver or pry tool into the seam and gently twist to open the fob. Be cautious not to apply too much force to avoid damage. Once open, note the polarity, positive and negative, of the old battery before removing it. This ensures correct installation of the new one. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive and negative sides match the correct polarity as noted earlier. Finally, snap the key fob casing back together until it clicks shut, ensuring a secure fit. In most cases, the key fob will work immediately after replacing the battery. However, if it doesn't, try resyncing it. Get inside your QX50, close the doors, and press the lock-unlock buttons on the fob simultaneously for a few seconds. Consult your owner's manual for specific synchronization instructions if needed. If the key fob still doesn't work after battery replacement and resyncing, check for bent or damaged battery contacts inside the fob. Gently bend them back into place if necessary. Also, ensure the battery is clean and free of any residue. If problems persist, the fob may have internal damage and professional repair may be required. Looking ahead, key fobs are evolving toward rechargeable or battery-free systems, with smartphone app integration enabling keyless entry. Newer vehicles adopt inductive charging and digital keys, reducing maintenance needs. While the 2020-2023 QX50 uses replaceable batteries, traditional fobs may become obsolete in the long run. For battery replacement and safety guidelines, always consult your Infiniti documentation.